Hey, how's it going, guys? For today's property tour, we're going to be touring a townhouse here in the city of Henderson in the brand new community of the Towns at the Union Village by Century Community Homes. For today's tour, we're going to be checking out Plan 1405. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way, when I do upload these tours, guys, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Now, let's get started. All right, guys, so here we are in the Towns at Union Village by Century Community Homes in Henderson. For today's tour, we're going to be checking out this bad boy right here, Plan 1405, and it is a townhouse. I also just did a property tour on the one next door, Plan 1478. I will have the link on your top right-hand screen if you want to check it out. But first, guys, I do recommend checking this one out, and then after you can check that one out. But check it out, guys. Really quick, let me just show you the area. So right across the street right here, you do have the Henderson Hospital, and right over there, guys, literally right over there, you do have the 95, and look right over there, you have the water park. Let me see if you can see it from here. You can kind of see it, yeah, the water park. So let me give you the details of this townhouse. Let me stand back over here because I am kind of close. So this is Plan 1405. So this one either comes in a 2 to 3 bedroom. So if it does come in a 2-bedroom, it is a dual primary, 2.5 bathrooms. And just like the plan number, guys, it is 1,405 square feet, 2-car garage, which is on the opposite side. This is the main entrance, but on the other side, you will have a 2-car garage with all these units here in this community. Also, the starting base price for this one, guys, is $369,990. That is just the base price, guys. That it doesn't account for any upgrades or lot premiums. But here with Century Community Home, guys, they are a spec builder, which means they are getting ahead of the ball and building these houses. The builder's picking these upgrades, and they are normally adding about, I would say, $18,000 to $20,000 in upgrades, and all that including your lot premium. So, for example, right now they do have a quick move-in ready that is as low as $379,340. So, I mean, that's only about $10,000 difference. But usually, like I said, about 18 to 20 or so. HOA here is $134 monthly. It is a non-gated community, and there is actually a total of 3 different plans. So you got the 1408, 1478, and then also on the in unit, you got the 1479. 3 different elevations, meaning 3 different looks, guys. So colors, different stones. You know, they have 3. You know, they have either the Tuscan, the Spanish, or the desert elevations, and each one does have a different starting base price. And they are going to be building 87 units here only, guys. So not a very big community here. So enough of me yapping, and let me show you the inside, guys. So here in the front, you do have a nice small little porch right here in the front, just enough to block off some sun and even the rain when it is raining. Definitely enough room to put a little table and some chairs, but definitely want to ask the HOA, see if that's permitted. You do have the AC unit that is in the front. Let's go inside and take a look. All right. So as soon as you come in, you do see the kitchen and the living room area. So you got 9-foot ceilings. And also keep in mind, guys, these are model homes, so they might be a little bit more highly upgraded than what they're speccing them out. So just a quick little disclaimer, guys. But when you check it out, white cabinets, you got the quartz countertop. Let me show you the living room first, guys. Let's do one thing at a time. So here you have your living room right there, then you have your TV. One thing I do notice, guys, is you don't have an area for, actually, I am wrong. I was about to say dining table. If I would have turned around, I would have saw that it does have a dining room area, which is right there. And then here is your kitchen, obviously, right? Quartz countertop, seats about 2 people. Also, I know you see that electric stove, guys. This community is all electric, no gas. So your stove is gonna be electric. Even your water heater is gonna be electric water heater. But white cabinets, quartz also on this side. This one doesn't have the backsplash. I'm not sure if they're speccing it out with backsplash like that. Microwave, refrigerator, washer and dryer, not included here with your home purchase, but maybe it's something we can negotiate, but for the most part, they don't include it. Also, they don't include the blinds. Dishwasher, stainless steel undermount sink. Also, you got the osmosis system. Then you don't have a pantry, but you have the pantry within the cabinets. But check it out. Not soft close. Then right over here, you have your dining room area. Then you do have your powder room right here. Check it out. Show you real quick. It looks like they are using it as a public bathroom. And then that door is going to be a 2-car garage, currently locked, so cannot show you. But here's your first floor, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Now let's go upstairs. As we head upstairs, guys, let's check out this closet first. Before I miss it, I want to show you everything as much as I can. Do I miss some stuff? Yes, I do. But if I remember, I will show you. And also do me a huge favor, guys. If you guys are liking this tour, like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Check it out. So let's go upstairs. And also, guys, I know I say this in all my videos, and if you are a subscriber or, if you always watch my videos, I do apologize, but hey, you might be a first-time viewer, and I want to make sure you're well aware on how this process works, guys. So if you are thinking about purchasing a brand new home and you would like to have a realtor like myself, which I do hope so, guys, or maybe you already have your own realtor. Super important either way, that if you are gonna come check out these communities, that we do come with you on the first initial visit, guys. Because if we don't, the builder will not allow us to represent you down the road, guys. It's just how it is. Not my rules, their rules, and I know I always get hit. Remember, so why is it so important? So unlike the builder's agent, guys, who are there to protect the builder's interest, I'm dedicated to you. So my role is to ensure you secure the best deal at the end of the day, guys. So also, sidestep any, common pitfalls and protect your interest every step of the way, guys. Things do happen, and you always want somebody on your side, just in case. Why, right? So if you want a seasoned realtor like myself, which I hope so, guys, reach out anytime. Here to help. Contact info in the description below. So that was my quick tip of the day, guys. Washer and dryer right here. Like I said, they are not included, but here's your laundry. And then right over here, let's just show you over here. So this is your primary bedroom. Look at this thing. Huge. Good size. Second floor, 8-foot ceilings. Oh man, look at this, guys. Definitely could have even like a seating area right here. And you still have plenty of room here in your primary. Drop a comment below, guys. Isn't this a big primary for a townhome? I sure think so. And then right over here, you do have your primary bathroom. So you got the dual vanities, got the can lighting above, stand-up shower. Also, you notice you do have flooring. You're gonna have flooring in your wet areas, carpet all throughout. So such as laundry room and bathrooms, flooring. Other than that, it's gonna be carpet, guys. Not just how they're speccing them out. Got some linen storage, toilet, and here is your closet. Look at this. Good size. At least I think so. You might say, Romero, what are you on? This is tiny. I get it. We all have our different opinions, and it's okay to disagree with one another, right? Doesn't mean we have to fight, but we could disagree. So now let's go check out the other bedrooms. So this one, like I mentioned, does also come in a 2-bedroom, guys. So as modeled, it is a 3-bedroom. Here's your hallway bathroom. Check it out. And then right over here, we have bedroom number 2. We did see the primary already. Showed you the, usually, you know, I do save the best for last, but I was in a good mood today and I want to show you the primary first. So now, here's bedroom number 3. What do you guys think? I believe this is like a queen size bed, just to give you an idea of how big this bedroom is. Not your biggest bedroom. This window's facing the front. Check out the community, guys. But here it is. All right, guys, well, this concludes this property tour, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this plan. Will it work? Will it not? Is it in pass? Let me know whatever it is, guys, in the comments below. I just love to hear whether it's negative, positive, because at the end of the day, guys, I know all properties are not for everyone. That's the beauty of real estate, right? So one might be a perfect fit while it's a horrible fit for somebody else. So that's the beauty. So drop a comment below what you guys think. Also, if you guys would like to come schedule a private showing and check out this floor plan, or maybe another floor plan here in this community, or maybe a whole different community, or if you're even looking to sell your property, guys, here to help any way I can. I will have my contact info in the description below, guys. Don't hesitate to give me a call, shoot me a text, email, or even schedule a video call. Let's connect. And also do me a favor, guys. If you guys enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Until next time, guys.